Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Herliani with NIM 2110118220010 from Group 5. On this occasion, I will discuss the 6th meeting of the English Math Assessment. And of course, we will discuss about vocabulary, a video, an example from chapter 3, questions number 2, 4, 6, and 7. We will discuss about vocabulary. First, angle. An angle is an area formed by two intersecting rays or line whose vertices coincide. Example, 90 degrees angle or right angle. And second, protractor. A tool that can be used to measure and form angles. A simple protractor is usually a half disc. Equals can be seen in PowerPoint. And third, length. Length is a horizontal line that is longer than its width. Example, a rectangle has a length of 5 centimeters. And fourth, width. Width is a horizontal line that is shorter than the length. Example, a rectangle has a width of 10 centimeters. And fifth, distance. Distance is the total length of the path covered by an object in a certain time interval. Distance is a scalar quantity, which is a quantity that has value. An example, the distance between A and B is 4 meters, B and C are 3 meters, and A and C are 5 meters. And sixth, percent. Percentage is a value or ratio to indicate a value from 100 using the percent symbols. Examples, 20%, 50%, and 100%. Store a sales orange at a discount of 30%. Seventh, percentage. Percentage is part of the whole which is expressed in hundreds. Example, 20 per 100, 50 per 100, and 100 per 100. And eighth, height. Height is a line that runs vertically. Example, a triangle has a height of 10 centimeters. Next, base. The base of the number is the number that forms the basis for the formation of other numbers in a number system. Example, the base 10 numbers, known as the decimal number system, consists of 10 base numbers consisting of the numeric symbols or digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And last, side. The area that limits the outside with the inside of a building. Example, backside equals A, B, C, D. Upside equals E, F, G, H. Front side equals A, B, F, E. And back side equals C, D, H, G. And left side equals A, D, H, E. And last, right side is equals B, C, G, F. Next, we will discuss about video. Here we have a question. I bought 6 guavas at 30% discount, so I only paid $12.60. Then the next day I bought another 2 guava seeds, but there was no discount. How much 2 guava seeds do I need to pay? And how much is the original price of one guava? Okay, solution for this question is X is the original price of 6 guava seeds. The original price of 6 guava seeds minus discount multiplied by the original price of 6 guavas equals discount price. X minus 30% X equals $12.60 and X minus 0.3x equals 12.60 sorry, $12.60. 0.7x equals 12.60. Left and right sides are divided by 0.7 and x equals 18. Original price of a guava equals original price of 6 guava seeds divided by number of guava seeds. Original price of guava equals $18 divided by 2 equals $3 and price of 2 guavas, the price of 2 guava the price of 2 guava equals the price of a guava times the number of guava seeds. Price of 2 guavas equals $3 times 2 equals $6. So we get the price of guava seeds, which is $18. The price of a guava is $3 and the price of 2 guava seeds is $6. Okay, last we will discuss about example from chapter 3 questions number 2, 4, 6 and 7. Example 2. An advertisement for toothpaste claims that 4 out of 5 dentists recommend a certain brand. A consumer group went to check the accuracy of this claim and surveyed 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement's claims is accurate? Solution for this question. First, using schema, the ratio of doctors who recommend to doctors who did not recommend is 4:1. Example, R equals doctor who recommends and D is doctor who does not recommend. Ratio is RRRD when R as much as 4 and D as much as 1. Total numbers of doctors is 180. Numbers of doctors per group ratio equals 180 divided by 5 equals 36 people. So doctor will recommend as many as 4 times 36 equals 144 doctors, and doctors who do not recommend are as many as 1 times 36 equals 36 doctors. Second, in addition, we can also solve this problem using a more structured algebraic approach. For example, X is number of groups. Number of those who recommend is 4x, and number of those who do not recommend is 4x plus x equals 118. And 5x equals 180. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 5, and x equals 36. We will substitute this x value into 4x and x to find out the number of dentists who will recommend or not. There will be 4 times 36 equals 144 dentists who recommend the brand, and 1 times 36 equals 36 who do not. Okay, next, example 4. Jason is Chris' old cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 to 5. In 5 years, Chris' age will be 4 more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boys now? We can solve this problem using algebra. Let x equals multiple. Jason's age Chris' present age is 5x and Jason's current age is 9x. In 5 years, Chris' age will be for more than half Jason's age, so that Chris' age plus 5 equals half times Jason's age plus 5 plus 4. Substitution gives 5x plus 5 equals half times 9x plus 5 plus 4. And 5x plus 5 equals 4.5x plus 2.5 plus 4. 5x plus 5 equals 4.5x plus 6.5 and 0.5x equals 1.5. To get the value of x, both sides are divided by 0.5 so that x equals 3. To find out their age, we have to substitute the x values into 5x and 9x. Chris' age is 5 times 3 equals 15 and Jason's age is 9 times 3 equals 18. To check the answer, we can prove it by in 5 years their ages are 12 and 32. Specifically, 20 equals half times 32 plus 4 equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. Next, example 6. Cross candy stand sells a popular mixture of two of her candies which sell for $2.70 per pound and $1.95 per pound. 95 cents per pound. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 to 5. If Carol sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during the coming month, she would have revenue of $928.20, which would be the same as if they sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? Because the ratio of candy in the mix equals 3 to 5, assumption 8 pounds sold. What is the income if 3 pounds of expensive candy and 5 pounds of cheap candy are sold? Obviously, the answer to this question is 3 times $2.70 times 5 times $1.95 equals $17.85. The model is number of pounds of expensive candy times $2.70 plus number of pounds of cheap candy times $1.95 equals $928.20. We will calculate it using algebra. Let x equals multiple. Number of pounds of expensive candy equals 3x and number of pounds of cheap candy is 5x. Total number of pounds sold equals 8x. The model gives us the equation 3x times 2.7 plus 5x times 1.95 equals 928.20 and 17 times 885x equals 928.2. We divide both sides by 17 times 80 17 times 8 5 to get x, so that x equals 52. Therefore 8 times 52 equals 416 pounds of the mixture is available and selling for $928.20 divided by 4016 416 equals $2.23 per pound. Let's re-examine the answer. The mix contains 3 times 52 equals 156 pounds of the expensive candy, which will generate an income of 156 times $2.70 equals $421.20, and 5 times 52 equals 260 pounds of the cheaper candy, which will generate revenue 260 times $1.95 equals $507. Total revenue is $421.20 plus $507 equals $928.20. Example 7. Among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 1 per 2 cups of regular sugar and 1 per 4 cup of brown sugar. The direction indicates that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? Solution for this question. The model of the problem is then A. The amount of regular sugar for 8 people is equal to the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. And B. The amount of brown sugar for 8 people is equal to the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Using A, we can assign variables and proceed algebraically. Example, x equals amount of regular sugar for 12 people. The model gives us the equation 1 per 2 divided by 8 equals x divided by 12. By cross multiplying, we get the result 8x equals 30. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 8 to get x equals 30 per 8 equals 3 per 4 cups of regular sugar. Using B, we can solve in the same way. For example, y equals amount of brown sugar for 12 people, and y per 8 equals 4 1 per 4 per 8 equals y per 12. We operate this count by cross multiplying like the first method. 8y equals 3. To find the value of y, divide both sides by 8 to get y equals 3 per 8 cup brown sugar. To check this answer, one way to check for problems is to see if the ratio of the original sum to the new sum is 12 to 8 or 3 per 2. For ordinary sugar, 3 per 4 per 2 1 per 2. To simplify the calculation, we first convert this mixed fraction into an ordinary fraction by 4 times 3 plus 3 equals 15 per 4, and 2 times 2 plus 1 equals 5 per 2, so that we get 15 per 4 divided by 5 per 2, and 15 per 4 times 2 per 5 equals 30 per 20 equals 3 per 2. For brown sugar, 3 per 8 divided by 1 per 4 equals 3 per 8 times 4 equals 12 per 4 equals 12 per 8 and equals 3 per 2. I hope that's enough presentation of my achievement. I apologize if there are errors in the pronunciation of words. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.